France is divided into approximately 12 depots, which is equivalent to the national territory, and each one covers 5 to 6 departments, or even 10 departments, according to the collection areas involved in the area. Our clients are divided into two types of activities. Industrial activity, corresponding to all types of industries, agriculture, food, plastics, or precision engineering mechanics, and automotive waste, which corresponds to garages and everything relating to car maintenance companies. The types of industrial waste include solvents, acids, oils, paints, dirty wastes of all types, and in automotive wastes you find used oil, coolant liquids, dirty paint wastes, oil paper, solvents, battery acids, and waste from filters. For the whole group, there are 250 lorries dealing with all of France, doing collections of oil with tankers as well as flatbed trucks for the other products. And for the Eurozone sites, there are 18 trucks or lorries that collect the 9 or 10 products from these 40 departments as they have been divided up. The most important point in our work is, however, the pumping of the waste oil product. So we have opted for MoveX pumps for nearly 60 years because my father started with MoveX pumps, which were eccentric pistons in those days, but were followed by the disc pump, which was virtually the same principle but more or less modernized. And today we have the CC20, which is really a specialized tool for motor oil pumping, and this is a very effective and ideal pump which can be mounted on the vehicles directly and as a stationary pump in the depot itself. So it's both for the lorries that pick up and for the unloading of the final product at our plant destination. I think that the CC20 pump is the ideal tool for the collection of waste oils, both because of its effectiveness and because of its suction, its self-priming, which, for the emptying of the pipes, the drivers are very happy with because there is no oil left in the pipes when they have finished their operation. And the priming, even with quite a distance, is effective. So it is a tool for us that is reliable for the drivers and satisfies the client and satisfies me and my wallet. The advantage of this pump is that there is no maintenance to be done because it was designed for these kinds of waste products. And we recognize that with oils that are heavily loaded with aggressive products, we achieve performances of 3 million or 3,500,000 liters, approximately for 2 years of working, which is really a large amount for this kind of product, and which means that at this point you have to change the pump because there is no more maintenance. But it is attacked by the product, which is very aggressive. We believe in the MoveX principle. We have pumps that are stationary pumps with much larger outputs, and on the other hand, the product has already been filtered once for the first time, but we enjoy a long performance time of 7 to 8 years. So if I were to have advice, both at the level of the business and the customer, it would be to use a MoveX pump with eccentric discs. I think that it is the best that is being produced as equipment for this type of activity, this type of product for pumping.